Hi, so I'm finally back from my video. So first I'm going in with my Beauty Glaze Be Gorgeous palette, and I'm just taking that yellow and I'm just going to use that as the transition shade. That's like the only eyeshadow per se I'm actually going to be using. And I just blend that in with my Morphe brush. I went in with another yellow from the palette because the first one I used was like really ashy looking. Then I'm taking my Girlacktic face glimmer in 14K. It's actually for your face, but I just used it like for like a shimmery eyeshadow. And I put primer on my eyes, and I shouldn't have because it just started breaking up really bad, which is why I'm gonna have to like put highlighter over it. But yeah, I just applied it with the applicator and then like kind of spread it around with my fingers, and then I used that brush a little bit, but the brush was like making it break up even more, so I really just mostly used my finger to just pat it on. But yeah, it's like really simple because I just patted it like on my lid and then like kind of went up into my crease. And I have to just keep adding more and more layers. But like the next time I like wear this look, because I really like the look and I will wear it again, but the next time I wear it, I definitely would not put eyeshadow primer, because I think the eyeshadow primer just like messes with the glimmer or whatever. Like it just makes it break up. So yeah, I just took my Fenty Beauty highlighter duo, and I took the lighter shade at first, but I'm gonna end up going in with the second shade too, and I just patted that all over my lid and into my crease too. When I was applying the highlighters, I just, of course, just patted them on as much as I could, because if I would have tried to like rub it on my eye, like it would have just started breaking up more. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. I think it's in soft nude, and I'm just using that to line my waterline. I of course didn't want black, so I just used that. Then I'm taking my taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Black Mascara and just coating my real lashes before I put on false lashes. Then I'm taking my iconic lashes in 02. They're like really natural because I didn't want to do anything too dramatic. But I don't know if those are like the IMV or they're probably the IMV iconic lashes. But yeah. And I'm gonna take my just clear glue with that too. And I'm taking my LA Pro Girl primer and just putting it on the sides of my nose and on my nose. And I'll just apply my lashes with tweezers because my nails are too long, and it just makes it easier. And I'm taking my NK pencil in brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips with that as usual. Then I'm going to take my Girlacktic Gloss and Glow, and I'm just putting that over my lips. And then I added just like a little bit of a Fenty Beauty Gloss, like barely any. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope everyone watched this enjoys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.